Hey there. So saying that we have to create this pivot arm with dimensions in millimeters, right? So here is how it looks like. So these are the dimensions. As you can see, they're in millimeters. So let's come here and start the drawing. So the way to do it is you say new sketch standard millimeter, and then you start from there. So in here you come up with the rectangles. So that's my first, and this one here need to have dimensions as indicated on the sketch. That one needs to be 100, and yeah, you need to have 55. Great. Again, you need to have the center line. There is my center line. There is my center line, and I have to make sure this one here is parallel to that one. Stuff happens. Stuff happens. So you need to make sure about that. So that's one they need to be 27 enough. 27 enough. That's great. So you come here, you draw the center line. There is my other line. Again, this one needs to be parallel to that. It is parallel now. And from D to D, that one needs to be 15 millimeters. That need to be 15 millimeters. So once we get that one there, so we come here for the other rectangle. So this one here, from V up to V, that one need to be 75. That need to be 75 millimeters. And here I need to have 85 millimeters. So 85 millimeters. And here I need to have 115. 115. Once I get this one here, I come for the center line. This is the center line. Again, I need to make sure that the center line is parallel to the sides of my rectangle, and this one from D to V need to be 42 enough. Need to be 42 enough. Once I get this one done, I need to come now for the hole. So I need to have a hole here. Okay, and this one need to be from D up to V. That need to be 30. 30. That's great. And from the up to the, oh, that's already done, and I can trim that part. I don't need that part as well. Yeah, I don't need those parts there. So now I have to come with the circles. That's my first, that's my second, that's my first, that's my second, and those ones here, this one need to be 70. Okay, this need to be 70, and thus come on, sorry, thus need to be equal to that. All right, and this one here need to be escape, need to be 150. Great, as well as that one. Okay, 150. Once I have that one written there, so again from there up to there, I need to have 5 millimeters. That need to be 5 millimeter. Thank you. And now from the center up to Z, that need to be 44.92. That need to be 44.92. I come here now. Now from here up to Z, that one need to be 14.417. Thank you. Right, and now from there up to there, that need to be 8.04. That's great. So now I need to make sure about this. The dimension now from V up to V, that's one need to be 185 as per our drawing. That's one need to be 185. Great. Okay, so once I have those ones in place, what I need to do now, I need now to draw this line here. I need to draw the circle here. So there is my circle. I need to have a circle here. All right, there's it. And this one here need to be 12 millimeter for the diameter. That need to be 12 millimeter. And here from there up to there, that one need to be 60. Great. So once I have those ones in place, now I need to make sure about this. So I need to cut with this line. You know why. So I have that line there. So I come here and I trim that spot and this spot. Again, this one as well. So I need to cut it there. Alright, and I need to make sure first that this one is parallel to that. Thank you. And I need to cut there. So I don't need that. I don't need this one. Alright, so once I have those ones there, so I need to remove this part here. I don't need the part. I don't need that part. I don't need this side. I don't need that side. I don't need that side. And here again, I don't need that side. I don't need the side. I don't need this one here. I don't need this one here. Alright, this one as well. So I need to remove first these dimensions. You know, sometimes dimension can cause confusion. Alright, so I need to trim that spot. I need to trim this spot. I need to trim that spot. I need to trim this spot as well. I need to trim that spot. I need to trim that spot. That as well. This one and that one. Here and there. Again, I need to delete that one. I need to delete that one. I come here. I need to delete the spot here. Then I have to trim that one and that one. Right. Come on. Why not going? So let me go back. Let me delete this part here. Alright, sometimes that's why can give confusion, you see. No big deal, no big deal. We can still draw this spot. Thank you. So I trim this spot and that spot. I trim that one and that one. So once we have this one done, once we have that one done, no, we need to remove it. So once we have that one done, I come here, I say 3D model. Then I say revolve. So I want now to revolve this spot against this axis. And I say revolve. Thank you. Then I come here, I say visibility. So I come here, then I want to extrude this spot. That's hole there. Where is the hole? This is the hole. I want to revolve. I want to extrude the hole. So by 50 millimeters, by 50 millimeters, this side. Thank you. So again, I say extrude. So I want to extrude this spot against this axis. I say okay. Again, I say, oh, that was revolve. I say extrude. I want to extrude this spot against, that's to extrude it. So by 25 millimeters, by 25 millimeters to 5, both sides, like that. I say okay. So once that is done, you can see now, this is how my sample looks like. So now I have to cut the corner. So this one and that one need to have a fillet, okay? And this side and that one, they need to have a fillet of 6 millimeter radius, 6 millimeter radius, as indicated on the drawing. That's 6 millimeter radius. Come again. And while we're waiting for this, and inside there, we need to have a fillet of 2 millimeter radius. So here, that side, and that side, again, this side, and that side, we need to have a fillet of 2 millimeter radius. That's great. So now we come here. We come here. So you see that we're getting there. This is a pivot arm. So we come here. That's one, and this one, and that's one, and this one. Come on, move, and this one, and this one. Need to have a radius of 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. a fillet of 12mm radius, and here this side as well. This one need to be applied, this side that need to be applied. So I come here, I say this and that. Okay, that need to be applied as well. Thank you. So now I need to remove the visibility. So I come here, I say visibility removed. So now the visibility has been removed. So you can see this is how your drawing looks like as indicated on your sketch. Alright, so now I need to give the material. So let's say this need to be in stainless steel. Let's choose stainless steel. Where is stainless steel? That is stainless steel. So you see how beautiful your material looks like. You can see how beautiful material looks like. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, because I don't want you to miss what's gonna be happening in the next videos. But now I want to show you something, so I can go for silicon nitride. I like it. Look at the way it looks like. This is your beautiful. So cheers, bye.